Lose 1 kilo a day and clean your colon with this Australian magic recipe. Aloe vera and lemon can be great allies that can help you clean the colon. The best thing is that today you will see how to use these two ingredients that when combined are very powerful, both to help you lose weight, thanks to its properties and positive effects. With these two ingredients that have great properties help our organism to eliminate the residues and toxins, where both are also excellent as it burns to lower those extra kilos. Lemon and aloe vera have natural purifying properties that help the body eliminate toxins and waste. It is no secret that nature has wonders for our well-being and our health. Since ancient times, natural remedies have always been used for any type of ailments. In this sense, today you will learn how to cleanse the colon and lose weight with aloe vera and lemon. Lemon juice and aloe vera recipe. 1. The juice is extracted from a lemon, a spoonful of aloe vera gel, and poured into a glass of water. To extract the gel from the aloe, you must open the blade with a knife and remove the gel using a spoon. 2. Bring all the ingredients to the heat and stir until all is well blended and homogeneous, and the aloe is thoroughly blended. To sweeten it is added only a spoonful of honey and drink warm. As you have seen, is a very simple and quick drink to prepare. This juice can be consumed only for about 10 consecutive days, in the morning and fasting. After drinking, do not eat anything until after 1 hour. In this way it is possible that the organism eliminates all the toxins and performs a correct purification, thus initiating the day in the best way possible with a well-purified body and intestines in good condition. This juice is not only potent, it is also quite rich. I ask the